So Jamaica, we at it again. Now, big things are going. People, big up on yourself. Make sure so you smash the like. And if you're new, welcome to Jamaica Podcast. This is where you get all of the greatest, freshest highlights. So, with that said, turn on the notification bell. Make sure you do that after you subscribe. So yes, people. Now we should start Mr. Vegas. Real bit about what happened right now. And as me say what happened right now, you don't feel like say a man dead. Well, John was that Vegas hurt as if a family member dead or something like that. Cause Bridget. This whole Wayne Marshall thing. You mean to tell me, say, anytime a Jamaican get some farmer big up, next set of yard man them just can't happy for the eye? Why? Why? Award is too much? Or it's just too much ratings if you go to the eye name? Wagwan, me people with a lot of speculation I say Wayne Marshall not really do so much in a dancehall if you get congratulated like that. But who to judge? Like, you have to remember this, brother. Not because the eye are not the eye favorite artist. Or the eye is not a new artist. Enough of them youth probably don't know about Wayne Marshall the way them should have know about Wayne Marshall. You see, underneath you do no research. Now, Wayne Marshall done a lot musically throughout his career in music. You see it? So, that said, on the music side, now the big speculation in the street people. We don't know see a soul Jamaica this. We not eat, we not take no side. So, word in the street. Marshall a link with the Labour Party, JLP. So, big up Mr. Golden. You're doing a wonderful job, sir. With that said, now them saying Wayne Marshall a link with Bro God. And that's why Wayne Marshall I get these stats to his status. So, you tell me say the man have to have a hit song and a mash up some stage show right now when he not keep in order to be accepted, Rasta. Warm to the groundwork where the virgin been put in already. And you know say me think me know which part them burn out Marshall from one time cartel listen. With the truth. I don't know. People drop on a comment in the comment section. Make sure on drop on a comment right now. Because this situation I have to talk about and it's very, very real. So does Wayne Marshall deserve his reward and his award that Jamaica recognize him for, right? And bigging him up. Or him not deserve it, none at all. And people if just beat him, tear him down, and act as if him is not even a Jamaican. Why every time one of our own achieve something, we can just happy and admit the fact that this person never does get up overnight and get anything with them receive. But the whole thing is nobody nothing be nothing, nobody nothing have nothing. No man nothing get big up. My car nothing newer than yours. My girl nothing prettier than yours. My house nothing bigger than yours. Me nothing have more money than you. it's like this ego thing, virgin. I don't know what happened to mankind, virgin, like, and this ego thing. Man have to build them ego, virgin, and the ego thing, this whole ego thing in a virgin. And man, just in them feelings are stuck in them ways. Now, Mr. Vegas, I not diss Mr. Vegas, big up Vegas, and big up Wayne Marshall. Because you know, say, so Jamaica, we not tear down people, we just talk the situation how it go. So in a case like this now, people, Mr. Vegas have him right for going to his own opinion. That's his own rights. Can't knock the man for that. At the same time, if it was Mr. Vegas on the flip side, achieve this DP, would the outcome be the same? Would people be saying, I know say, half of who I beat Marshall would have when I beat Mr. Vegas the same way? Because if Mr. Vegas did receive this award, you know what I would have say? I should have Bunty get it. I should have Beanie Man. I should have the next man over there, so the next virgin over there. So in a cases like this, you can't please people, and people are gonna always speculate. You understand? Can we get a subscribe and 1,000 like? Big up on yourself. No. We have to keep it real on yourself. You see? Right now, I see which part a bad thing I go on. The word in the street right now, people. Bro God, I give you 10 grand US for vloggers. Speak good about the Jamaica Labour Party. Monthly. For 24 months. My only question is, who was so talented to forward with the idea like this? Knowing, say, if you're smart enough, sharp enough to realize, say, a vlogger's work is to get a paycheck at the end of the day. So, you can't blame a man we're in the business, have him family to take care of, and then say him sell out. Cause yeah, I do a promotion. Then if in that the case, stop use Google. Cause everybody do the same thing on Google. So with that said, drop in the comment section if you think bro gotta do a good job, right? And the next thing is Footer Hype react also. Footer Hype had this to say, where Footer Hype actually stated that PJ Patterson is actually a better Prime Minister for Jamaica when he was in. So let me know what the thoughts is on that situation right there. He actually speak on a lot more, where he even go as far as mention as there is no AC in the airport and it's actually running by an industrial fan. Now if it's this real stuff going on in the airport, where we're great place like Jamaica, I get breeze from industrial fan, it no look good if you foreign at them. We're forward. And know say Jamaica is a place where them say we little but we talawa. Cause if you notice, Jamaicans like the best of things. You see? So that kinda hard to really settle with, for say. with big international airport now the AC night. Wanna fix up that. So Jamaica, I see the people who is for the society, if you see the upliftment and the growth, if you see the youth them have a better future. That's what all Jamaica about. So right now, drop on an honest comment, people, and make sure to share the content. So, was PJ Patterson, right, the greatest prime minister that Jamaica has ever seen? Right? Because this is some great argument right there, saying, right? As much as people don't like PJ Patterson. But for the great stuff where PJ Patterson has done for Jamaica, right? Compare it to what Brogard is doing right now. And when we say this, we not diss nobody, we not speak down for nobody, we have a reasoning. So, I want to know that go. So, the work of PJ Patterson put in as a prime minister for our great island, Jamaica, has it been surpassed by Brogard? Would you approve Brogard over PJ Patterson within a conscious state of mind frame with no bias with it? Now you gotta think to yourself, ask yourself, what's the improvements you've been noticing throughout this whole time and all this party been running an election and all stuff like that, and ask yourself what you gain, what you seen, what you notice, and who you favor more, because that's just how the game go. You run with who you believe with, and you cheer for who you love. So, who did the most outstanding work for Jamaica in the past time until this present moment? I need y'all to drop that in the comment section, right? And please do share this channel, and please subscribe and like. So Jamaica is for the nation, for the world, for everyone. We got love over here. So with that said, man, now we see where, now big up the artists them in a dancehall, because this is why I like to do this, and I like to big up people, right? Now, I'm not even gonna speak about this on a regular basis, and I'm just gonna big up the artists them. So right now, I want big up Coyote, I want big up Tentic. Right now, the artists them have a lyrical feud that go on scene, and it's a good look for dancehall. Regardless who are your favorite artists, big up the artists them, big up the production, big up the whole situation. See, everybody who involved on both camp. Cause the whole thing is, if you get more exposure for dancehall, right? People love this. You see me? And this is what it's all about. Mr. Tentic even go as far as drop a statement where I say, and it's true. See me? Artists need to start make music where people can remember and sing to. And him not the first artist said this. But him still forward with a good reasoning. You understand? So we have to address it. So big up Tentic, big up Coyote. Do nothing. Whoop us on up on stage, I do nothing. Dancehall I look lovely, you know what I mean? And also, is a new dancehall artist where I mash up the place. Money Code. Make sure so you go search Money Code. And make sure say when you drop a strength and make him know say so Jamaica sending over there. Cause the youth there are him. May I tell you say right now people. Dancehall nice. The youth there. Channel. them now no look after this a youth a forward. I tell you that. Are the wickedest thing a forward. When you go forward and go check out money code. Are the baddest thing a forward out of Jamaica right now. Yeah, man. That's how we do it over here, sir. So Jamaica, we big up artists, highlight artists. Because we need to see the brand Jamaica grow more. We are already established worldwide. We have to know, say, we have to love a thing, promote a thing, be about a thing, not just speak about it, but be about the thing. Live this. You understand? Yeah, man. We not sell out. Don't stray far from the brand Jamaica. We love and appreciate what other people produce for entertain us. You know what I mean? We embrace people. You see, that's the thing with Jamaicans. Jamaicans are more quick to hate them one and embrace strangers. You understand? It's just a cultural thing. I don't know why. But still, big up each and every one when we say them I represent the Jamaican flag. You see it? And make sure you smash it like and subscribe. You see it? Now people, right now, we see Sizzla Kolanji have some fire right now. Music for the ladies. Fire. Sizzla Kolanji never fail. Always on point. You know, Dada put on so much work. That's right now, Dada never have to rush it. Dada can just take him time and just drop music when him feel like. That's how great of an artist Sizzla Kolanji is. Sizzla Kolanji footprint in a reggae music has been outstanding and comparing with no one else. Sizzla Kolanji outstanding by itself. Big up Judgment Yard. Big up the whole Sizzla Kolanji movement. I mean, I'm telling us, people right now on Soul Jamaica podcast, make sure say when you go support the Augustone King legend, living legend, Sizzla Kolanji. Yeah, man. Dada are the man. From I say Dada forward with Black Woman and Child and them song there. I say no, the artists are not normal. It's been so many other artists try to duplicate Kolanji style. Never stick. One Kolanji. You can't duplicate greatness. It's just like you never see another fire. It's one Sizzla and a one Capleton, a one Anthony B, a one Bounty Killer. You know what I mean? You have some other artists where look like them can duplicate them and build all 3-4 of them. But them type of artists, yeah, the Super Cat, the Ninja Man, the Vibes Cartel, and the list continues. Make sure so to mention Beanie Man, because when you know a thing go, big up a doctor. And you know, say, youths them right now, this is what you need to subscribe to Soul Jamaica. Youths doing the research. You see it? Reggae music and dancehall are forward from far. And music not just been amazing just now. And I just know art rhythms I make. And I just know art music video I make. And I just know bad song I create. You understand? And you want to see an artist like Professor Nuts. You see it? Big up Professor. You never been entertained until you check out the artist like Professor Nuts. Like, this is the artist who make music nice, humorous, when a man never really thinks a cheap Glock. Big up on yourself, people. Because you know, say our content is not the normal content. This is so Jamaica out of so many people. We have that great channel there. And we want to grow that channel like a tree and spread the blessings and the love worldwide. You see it? So as I say, share the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, bless up a comment, positive, and we out here do it the right way. Yeah, we can spread the word of righteousness and celebrate. You see it? People, right now, wanna feel say in a dancehall. Wanna feel say right now, drop off in a this dancehall thing right now. I want to drop that in the comment section. Which artists wanna feel say right now drop off and can do better? And then again, other than Tentic and Coyote, which other two artists on want to see go at it lyrically and have a clash? Brawling right now. Brawling. Let me know right now. Drop that in the comment section. And we can do a podcast on that next time. Is it? Which two artists ready right now? We are putting in work. One can say, yo, them youth here. We can see. Them not gonna waste time. I'm brawling. Have confidence enough. If you can go up on a show and present themselves the right and proper way and entertain the people them. If you make people know say dancehall not gone away. It die have to stay for life as long as people there dancehall are gonna tire. People big up on themselves, man. Remember say I know yes to dancehall forward from me now. So we can't come make two people or three people mess up the thing and put a little name and a little brand on the thing with no rub right to everybody. Make it look like say boy, good music stop and dancehall get corrupt. Dancehall and reggae music are love and fun. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Yo. Now, we switch part. Pum pum. Literally liquor man chip. Bad. Now, let's get into business. Light up my ganja for this. Big up on yourself. Now, if you had the youth man them, we have them like a girlfriend. And I buy the roses and the chocolate. Big up on yourself. When you're on the right road. Now stay with you now, alright? Alright, stay focused. Yes, so we switch part pum pum like a man chip. Literally. So, listen to this. For some time now, people have been beating Miss Kitty. Only to find out, say, it's like Miss Kitty been sitting on the golden kitty. No, we can't make sense out of nonsense, right? Now, people, if any other nation don't know this, my people from Jamaica, we all know this situation go when it comes to some fantastic front. Right? Huh? Preach. No. We know when a man in him feelings and a man a go take it up on himself. Take out him phone in a rasta and make a video. I say me no business. Really. Bridget. If me no business, me no business. Me not gonna make a content. If it just proves it, me no business. Only if you find out. See him Bridget, we're confidently, I laugh and him no know where a man take up and wish them the best and yaddy. People, me can't make up this. At this point, me I wait for twins of twins, to confirm if the virgin test positive for girl clown syndrome. Now, listen to this. This is why So Jamaica is so amazing. Make sure say you smash it like burn up the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to you charge it. So now, you mean to tell me say the same woman we you want and a man for go on with her as what you did say, brother. Send the eye almost amados. And this is not a disrespect to the eye. Our the eye put out in front, the whole of us view, virgin. The eye that's a drop in is few percentage. A thoughts pan wagwan. So I take the thing personal, virgin. Because I not go talk down for nobody the mental situation, is it? So, with that said, people, if the eye never want the sister and I bash out like that, no, this virgin have about 8 backup pill. The virgin say him not eat, which most of my fans are gonna say, burn up. But that was his words. Since him lose Miss Kitty, him not eat. That was his words. Anyway, the virgin said him a lose weight. Him can't focus. Yeah, that care they like them a rush him to hospital. So this is how good Miss Kitty was to this virgin. So, people, when you make me know, as a Jamaican woman, them think good virgin. Jesus have mercy. Whoa, the wetty, gummy. All of them good food that with them Jamaican woman they eat. Only create a perfect, strong body where you have to be strong with tolerance to put up with these Jamaican stallions. Oh, them bad. Big up on yourself, Jamaican females, on a bad. And we see where the virgin a ball out, Rasta. A ball out. Help. Him psychiatrist tired of him. Is it this the case where them say you never know where you have until it gone? Perfect example. Never see this yet. Never see this yet. And as you know, this is so Jamaica. We did have to keep it fully yard style. I'm going to drop it in the comment section. Did this virgin wake up with the girl clown syndrome? Yo, and another thing we have to address, you know. See a thing go on where a person named Mampy have a virgin I go off on the internet, and a lot of people get shocked, and I say them never really experienced nothing like this. Them never really see nothing like this. Them not know nobody will do stuff like this. Goes right back to the power of Jamaican woman pum pum. Now, at first, when I forward across this thing, you could have never convinced me, say, a crutches cast this. I wonder, who this Virginia? Guys, I say, wait. And then, when I start thinking of the name, I say, Mampy, so like a catty that's still Mampy. And I say, but we way my time. I say, I couldn't be a catty, brother. Like, confusing Rasta. I say, only if you find out. This virgin I talk about him, woman in a virgin, and I say, if you forward for your things, you know, Jaja, I can't make up this. Now, people, was this a prank? Or it was a play? As a matter of fact, I think the rest of the skit will be forwarding on TikTok by next week. And you can actually watch the play perform live in front of the face soon somewhere. Alright? Because this is just the most bizarre type of stuff to the shatters them in the garrison. Can you imagine all film bridging them the next day? After this bridging done show him machine on him face and everything and death threats and thing. And threaten police. This has been So Jamaica. Thank y'all for your participation. Make sure y'all smash that like, subscribe, burn up your bell. I hate that.